In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo on a QuickBooks invoice. Whether you're updating your brand or simply want a new look for your invoices, changing the logo is a quick process that only takes a few minutes. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already familiar, QuickBooks Online is a popular cloud-based accounting software that lets you manage your finances with ease. Once you reach the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're at the Sign In page, it's time to enter your account details. Type in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. If you run into any trouble here, make sure to double check that you've entered your credentials correctly, as simple typos can often be the culprit when having sign-in issues. After you've input your details, click on the Sign In button to access your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, you're well on your way to updating your invoice logo. With your dashboard open, you need to click on the New button. This button can be a little tricky to spot at first, but it's typically an important gateway to a lot of features within QuickBooks. Once you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Invoice. This selection takes you to the invoice creation section, where you can manage and create new invoices. The next part is where the customization magic happens. At the bottom of the invoice screen, you'll find the Customize option, which you need to click. This button is your friend when it comes to personalizing your invoices and giving them that professional touch that reflects your brand's unique image. Once you click Customize, it will bring you to another menu where you need to look for and select Edit Current. This is the option that allows you to edit the current invoice template you are using, including the layout, colors, and important for us, the logo. After choosing Edit Current, you'll see a section specifically for making logo edits. This is your destination, so click on it and get ready to upload your new logo. Here you have the option to either upload a logo from your device or browse for one that's already saved in your QuickBooks account. Simply click on Upload or Browse to find your logo file. For best results, ensure your logo file is in a compatible format like JPEG, GIF or PNG, as these are generally accepted by QuickBooks. Importantly, pay attention to the dimensions and file size. A logo that's too large might not display correctly. It's always a good idea to have a clear, high-resolution version of your logo ready to go to ensure your invoices maintain a professional appearance. Once your selected logo is uploaded, preview it to confirm it looks just the way you envisioned. If everything checks out and you're satisfied with how your new logo looks in the template, you can move on to the final step. To wrap things up, click on the Done button to save your changes. This action confirms your new logo and applies it to your invoices going forward. From now on, whenever you generate an invoice through QuickBooks, your freshly updated logo will be prominently displayed, helping to reinforce your brand identity. There you have it. Changing your QuickBooks invoice logo is not only painless, but is also a fantastic way to ensure your financial documents reflect your brand as accurately as possible. It only takes a few minutes but can leave a lasting impression on your clients with a professional image. Remember, keeping your brand consistent across all materials is key to establishing trust and recognition with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you keep your QuickBooks invoices fresh and aligned with your branding needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy QuickBooks tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.